What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Miguel. You're watching Miguel EDC, the channel where we talk everything EDC gear here. And today we're doing a quick unboxing video. You probably saw the title and thumbnail and you have an idea, but just know going in here, I have no idea, no clue what knife is in here. Well, I do know it's coming from Ray over at Everyday CD Carry. Check out his channel. If you're not already subscribed, he makes really good EDC knife content as well. Doing the honors today, we have the Eutektik EFD. Just recently unboxed this knife here in the channel. 14C 28N drop point blade, stonewash finish, good for your hammer grip. Awesome forward choke option right here, makes a great EDC knife. Super slicey, multiple deployment options. So this knife and every other knife that you see in this video will be linked down below. So if you're interested in checking availability, options, prices, I'll try to link to as many websites as possible that these knives will be available, obviously including the one in the box for you guys to check out in case you're interested. It does help out the channel when you use those links, but that is entirely up to you. Go ahead and just begin making a cut into the box here, right? We're trying to save Mother Nature in this channel, one box at a time. So let's go ahead and try to do it in a way. There we go. I'm just going to use the tip and slice from this way over. Definitely don't want to cut the contents inside. And it looks like we have a package inside of a package. Could that be? I don't know. We are about to find out together here, shall we? Let me see. We'll go ahead and get it off camera. There is an address right there. I don't want to show in the video. A14 EDC. Check them out. Traditional pocket knives. So it sort of tells me that we might have a traditional pocket knives here. That might be a hint. We'll see. Hedgehog. Right, just became affiliated with traditional pocket knives, which is good. So this knife will definitely be linked down below. We got the sticky brand, and I wonder if this one, yeah, there we go. This one's already open, right? So I'm going to slide the box out here if I can, and boom, there it is. Those are the contents on that box. Let's take a look here, guys. Let's take a look. We got the traditional pocket knives, veteran owned. C. Rissner Cutlery since 1974. Without further ado, let's open in here. It looks like we got, ladies and gentlemen, the QSP Hedgehog. QSP Hedgehog. This is their premium version. I believe their exclusive version with TPK or traditional pocket knives. This is M390 blade, gecko carbon fiber or camel carbon, and it is OEM by QSP in China overseas. And if you guys are ready, I'm ready. Here we go. Bam, there's your QSP design sticker right there. Kind of gives you the outline of the knife. Have a knife day QSP sticker, the wolf right here. Better knife, better life. And here is the knife. Actually, let's go ahead and take it out. Let's make some room here for this knife. I believe this one certainly deserves all the attention, all the focus we can get from the camera. And let's check out this Hedgehog here, shall we? Bam, take a look, guys. So this one is a slip joint knife for sure. M390 on that blade. Oh man, that is one beautiful, gorgeous looking carbon fiber or camel carbon going on right here. Awesome and nice centered blade right there. Let me see if the camera wants to cooperate. Oof. And that is a mean hollow grind. So I noticed that on these versions, right, the logo becomes a triangle on the pivot. And yeah, if you guys are ready, let's go ahead and get this thing open here, shall we? Let's check out that walk and talk. Ooh. Ooh, that walk and talk feels good. Oh man, let me give it a nice little wipe right here. Of course, with a slip joint, you know, you're gonna use both hands, right? And you're gonna get fingerprints on the blade. It's inevitable. But now that I have given it a nice wipe, check out how beautiful that hollow grind looks. Holy smokes, that is a savage looking hollow ground. Sheep's foot blade style. I like that little tip section right there. That is going to be very good for utility cuts, draw cuts, right? X-Acto knife type of work, if you would. M390 satin finish. Oh, that thing is a laser beam. Holy smokes. A nice fuller, right, on both sides. Kind of gives you some additional surface to pinch and grip, right? Very reflective. You can see myself upside down. doing a little wink, wink. You can see up my nostrils right there. Check that out. So yeah, very reflective finish going on here. We have bolster, titanium bolsters. Yes. And check out the fit and finish, right? These carbon fiber inlays, or camera carbon, are done really good. QSP doing a wonderful, beautiful OEM work right here. Obviously, they do an excellent job. And yeah, the fit and finish is really good. I believe these are also priced really, really well. I don't know the exact price, but obviously I would have linked to their website down below for you guys to check them out. But man, ergonomically speaking, this is a 10 out of 10 right there, right? I always reserve a 10 out of 10 for a knife that doesn't have a pocket clip, right? If it has a pocket clip, the highest it can be is at 9.5, something like that, right? Obviously with slip joints, you can get that perfect 10 out of 10, similar to fixed blades. So you don't have a pocket clip in the way, and this just is ready to cut. Feels right at home in the hand right here. I have average hands, not the biggest, not the smallest of hands, and I'm able to get a full purchase on this thing. Really good. Rest my thumb on the spine of the blade if I wanted to. I don't want to put too much pressure. It actually takes a significant amount of pressure to even move it from the back spring, but just, you know that it's not a locking knife. It's still a slip joint. And yeah, on the close, right, nice half stop. Ooh, just a good resistance, right? So the pull feels like that is definitely an 8 out of 10 pull right there. Good tension from that back spring. Right, you can see it there in action. Good pull right there, about a 10. I'm sorry, 8 out of 10. There's your half stop and your full stop. Yeah, let's go ahead and do some size comparisons. Right here, I don't have any other slip joints on hand right now to compare it to. Let's do some of the typical ones here on the channel. Here's the PM2, Spyderco PM2, and the Para 3. Side by side, it's going to be a little bit shorter. Most slip joints that I've checked out are somewhere in this ballpark, with the exception of the Lake Champlain Barlow, right? That one I really love because it's a little bit bigger, full-size slip joint. So definitely check out the unboxing on that one if you haven't already. Lake Champlain Barlow, right? Really love that one from traditional pocket knives as well. Here's the Demko AD 20.5 and the smaller brother, the Shark Cub. So it's just a tad bit, maybe like a ½ inch or so, or quarter inch shorter than the Shark Cub right there. Here's the Civivi Sentinel Strike and the Civivi Vision FG. Those are going to be larger knives, no doubt. Vosteed Raccoon and CJRB Pyrite. Those are going to be a little bit bigger as well. And last but not least, here's the Vosteed Corgi Pup. Button lock, super fidgety, right? Smaller version of the Vosteed Corgi. And check out the Benchmade mini Bugout, right? So it actually compares to the mini Bugout quite a bit, right? You guys take a look there for yourself. Of course, all of these knives are going to be linked down below. All of these have unboxings and should have a review video on the channel as well. So if you want to learn more, you can certainly look up those videos here on the channel also. But yeah, sort of gives you a ballpark. It's definitely going to be on the smaller side of EDC carry, which most lip joints are. And I bet this thing is, again, really, really sharp. It feels like a laser beam. And there's something to be said about slip joints. I don't know what it is, what the secret sauce is, but I have tried some slip joints that are sharper than some of the $300 to $400 to $500 knives that I have put under this lens, right? To say the least. So I won't be surprised if this thing is extremely, extremely sharp. I'm trying to cut swirls, and it's really cutting the paper, right? Check out the swirls right here on the table. Look at those beautiful swirls. This thing is just, wow. A laser beam. Look at that thing. You can do curve cutting, whatever you want to do with this thing. It is ready to perform. Right? So it can cut paper, of course. That is definitely something. No surprise there, right? We got some everyday Huggies cardboard box going on here, single wall, right? We're cutting cardboard, don't cut perpendicular, but rather at an angle like this. And it's gonna look something like this. I'm gonna do it kind of slow. Wow. Wow, this thing is really, really great. I'm not even exaggerating. Wow, this is sharper than probably the last 10 of 20 knives that I have checked out here in the channel by a landslide. That's how sharp this thing comes out of the box. And this one is not even like completely brand new. This one has already seen some use, as part of the knife pass around. So man, slip joints are no joke, especially mean hollow grounds like this one. Bro, these things are gonna put in some serious work. So yeah, this is not even brand new out of the box, and it's cutting like as if I just opened it out of the box, sharper than some brand new knives that I, folder knives that I check on this channel on a daily basis. So love that about slip joints so far. The traditional pocket knives, Lake Champlain Barlow was a hit. This one gives me the same vibes. Ultra sharp, extremely ghost-like sharpness. I mean, this thing is like an 11 out of a 1 to 10 scale, in my opinion. But you guys let me know in the comments, what are your takes? Rate how sharp this thing is from 1 through 10. Let me know, right? And of course, that tip is going to be very good, right? If you need to do any utility cuts, right? Do some utility cutting with that tip. So you need, right? It's going to come very handy. So yeah, the Hedgehog from QSP, the traditional pocket knives version right here, already making a wonderful, amazing first impression. I'll tell you what. Well, there you have it, guys. That is the QSP traditional pocket knives exclusive Hedgehog. Man, oh man, this thing is a wonderful cutting apparatus, cutting tool right here. This thing is both gorgeous, elegant, definitely has the performance to back it up. Just an amazing design right here. Loving it already. Love the geometry, the grind, the hollow ground, M390, the finish. Oof. All right, let me give you some more of that those acoustics. I could be doing that all day, every day, but I think you sort of get the idea right there. Check out the alignment. That thing is smack in the middle, if you ask me. And man, oh man, this thing cuts like crazy. Love a good slip joint. Really helps for that dual carry that I like to do with a folder as my primary, a good slip joint as my secondary. There are times if I'm feeling more traditional, a slip joint alone makes a good EDC, and this one is this one is definitely a great contender for a great, beautiful looking EDC. So there you have it, guys. Those are my first impressions, unboxing experience on the QSP Hedgehog traditional pocket knives exclusive here. Wonderful first experience, great quality, amazing QC, right? The fit and finish on this thing is wonderful. Really love everything about it. And I can't wait to carry this thing. This thing is going right into my pocket. You know the drill. This is just an unboxing. I will be carrying the knife for the next week or so to try to gather as much feedback as I possibly can before dropping a comprehensive review on the knife. That being said, the knife will be linked down below. So if you want to check availability, different options, prices, and things like that, I'll try to link this guy down in the description and the pinned comments to as many websites as possible, right? As well as any other knife that you saw in this video for that matter. So definitely check those links. It does help out the channel when you use those links, but that is entirely up to you and at zero extra cost. With that in mind, guys, let me know your thoughts on this knife, right? What are your likes, dislikes, questions that you may have that you want me to answer during the review video? Let me know. Let's hang out in the comments section. If you aren't already subscribed, this will be a great time to do so. I promise you'll be worth coming back for more. I make knife and EDC content like this on an ongoing basis, and you would not want to miss out. Smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. It really helps the channel reach a larger audience. And if you want to support the channel a step further, there's a link for either Patreon, or you can do so right here on YouTube by becoming a channel member. You'll get access to exclusive perks. That being said, guys, check out the unboxing on the Eutektik EFD, the knife that we use to unbox this knife here. Been carrying this one also quite a bit. I'll put a card for this video right here so you guys can check that one next. If you made it to the end, you guys are the real MVPs. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I love you guys. Take care. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.